Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Deepak. Yeah, so this was a pretty shitty game week for me as I was able to just score 38 points and I got a red arrow, of course. I fall back from 82k to 141k now. Arrow. So I made three moves, so that's why I took a -8. I get rid of Salah and Antonio and Foden to get Ronaldo, Son, and Martinelli. So those looks are pretty good moves on paper, but only Son returned and my captain, which is Ronaldo, he blanked with just 1 pointer, and even Martinelli just scored 3 points. So it's a bit unlucky where they score 5 points and Martinelli, not involved in any of the goal. He scored a goal, but that was offside. So that's how my team performed. I'll just show you my team and my back four. If you see James, I don't know. It's very frustrated to on him. I want to offload him, but due to misses, the blank game weeks and all that, I can't offload him as of now. Yes, he is my priority, and I will probably get a Regulian in place of him. Cancelo Diaz with 1-1 assist for each for them. Cash with just one pointer. I cannot. I'm not expecting much from him because he's playing against Chelsea. So in midfield, Son was the shining light, along with Smith Rowe, whatever it is. Whenever he comes on bench, he scores a goal. So it's a joke also in Twitter. This week he can't score by coming from bench because they don't have a fixture. Well, Gallagher with just 2 pointers, so he has a good game against Norwich now. So I expect some returns from him. Let's see how my forward does. So Watkins and Ronaldo just with two pointers. So Ronaldo is very disappointing addition for me. They have to remove Salah, and I just got what I got, just 2 pointers. So a bit harsh for whoever who basically get Ronaldo. But anyways, if you have just, I think it's not a good move to get back Salah again after axing Ronaldo again. So it will be a knee-jerking movement, I think, because he might have some double game week coming up. So better to retain him. So let's see. I will show you my team for game week 20, how I am lined up. So in the back, I have Sanchez because, of course, Arsenal has a blank, so Ramsdale is not starting. Sanchez is in the back along with James, Cancelo, Diaz, and Alexander-Arnold. James is, I think it's the last game for him, and Cancelo, Diaz are a good addition, I can say, because Diaz also providing assists and goals in between, so it's a good addition. Alexander-Arnold, yes, he will stay, of course. Let's see my midfield. So Jota, Son, Gallagher, and Martinelli. So Martinelli doesn't have a game week, and captain is Jota as of now because I don't have a Salah cover. So I think that is the most safe option. Go with even you can go with the Son, Gallagher, Cancelo. There are a lot of good options, even Trent. So if you want to go something different, you can choose this. And even Ronaldo, of course. Ronaldo is against Burnley, and King is also could be a differential shout because he is against West Ham. So West Ham just played this Sunday, and they must be tired with their 3-2 defeat against Southampton. And Watford are fresh, right? They have not played a game for a long time. So I think they can do some damage, and King could be involved. Well, the bench doesn't have a game week, so Smith Rowe, Cash, Watkins, Ramsdale, all are just sitting on the bench itself for this game week. So now the thing is, what should I move to make a playing 11? So I don't want to take a negative hit for this game week. So my most probable move, let me show my transfers as well, should go. If I have to make a maximum of like, -4 or something, I am very tempted to do this Smith Rowe and James to get Regulion and Bowen. So, but the problem with that is I think Bowen is not well rested because he just played 90 minutes just 2 days ago. That is what making me turn off for this particular transfer move. I am pretty much inclined to retain James for this game week because he's against Brighton, so might be get a chance to get an assist or something, maybe a clean sheet, but it's very difficult. I can't say. He might be returning or not sure. Not so sure. Regular is a good move, but not sure on Bowen. Whether he will start or not. Maybe Fornals will start. He has rested last game week. So that is the reason I'm not pretty sure on this moment. But another move which is good is Everton players. So Traore, Gray, those are the players which you can target for this week. And if you see the fixture, they are also pretty good. If I add Gray here, 1 minute, add Gray. Yeah. So if you see their fixtures, they're pretty good. Newcastle, Brighton, Norwich, Villa, Newcastle again, Leeds, and they have a lot 2 blanks. Okay, so they will get a double as well. Leicester, Burnley. So these are again not bad fixtures at all. So I think Gray is a good move. I'm pretty much inclined to this. If there is no rumors or no postponement news, etc. So this will be my probable move. I will just use my 1 free transfer and set up this team. Captain, as I mentioned, is on Jota because I want to play safe. Liverpool has good chance to score, and I think Jota will be involved there. So I will make my transfers at the end of the deadline, which is 7 p.m. in IST. So I think it should be 2 hours from now. But see your timeline, do not miss it. If you wanted to make early transfer, that will be a risk. I think you should wait for the deadline, then you should make your move. So that's it from my side. I hope you like the video. Thanks and best of luck. And sorry to have forgot to mention regarding the double game week plan. Okay, so it might be on 22. So I might be playing my wild card on game week 21 and set up a team which has a double games in 22. So can I play a bench boost to win 22? So that is one possible move. Or second is I could play a free hit for game week 20. It totally depends on what are the fixtures in 22 and what are the possible game weeks. Based on that, I can make a decision. And those are the wildcard users who have a wildcard available for the first wildcard itself. Make sure you use it this game week. This is the last chance to use it. Cool. So thanks for watching. See you. Okay.